Tonight, we'll get started with a food competition that's especially near and dear to our hearts. It's the Great Iowan Recipe Contest, and Travis Graven, he has all the details.
Some of you may have watched the Great American Recipe on Iowa PBS, so we decided why not try and find the Great Iowan Recipe here at the fair, and invited people to share with us how food connects with their family, heritage, and legacy. And soon the winners will be on display right here at the fair. I don't know about the technical aspect of it, but it looks pretty darn tasty to me.
Yes, it does look tasty, and we'll see as we watch me eat. Yes, it's tasty, and it has a nice outer crust and a nice lattice weave. Righty. Here we go. Yes, indeed. I'm just looking for a little bit of real Iowa, real history, real family stories, and then a beautiful something that they can show off in a dish or on a fork. It's all about family, and then family experiences. I had a parallel with an old Bishop's buffet story of something, and then other stories about cooking with your grandma and making grandpa or your dad so happy with something you cook. So I love the fact that I can relate to almost every recipe that's come through here.
What kinds of stories have you seen so far?
Well, there was a story from an 85-year-old man that entered some apple crisp, and it was a very dear story. Then another story was, it was an apple skeever, and it was it's a Danish thing, what's in a nice little skillet. Usually the skillets are big, and this was compact and nice and presented ever so nicely, and it had to do with a great-grandparent coming from another country.
And a lot of food does have a story behind it, right?
Oh, there is, but not a lot of contests don't, have a story that is printed up, but the stories really enhance the whole judging process. And this particular contest requires a story, and so that's 20% is on the meaningful story. This one is exciting. Growing up on a centennial farm, my family has one of those, and that means a lot.
I made my grandma's famous Christmas caramels and brought them to the fair.
And what's the story behind them?
So about 50 years ago, she decided that she wanted to make caramels one Christmas when she was about 9 months pregnant with my uncle. And she made them, and they were instantly a hit, and they've been a tradition ever since.
I brought oatmeal munchies that my mom used to make. My grandmother used to enter at the state fair, and my mom entered, and so I started taking care of my mom when she needed help, and she taught me how to do cookies. She used to do pies and everything, but when she got older, she did mainly cookies. And so she wanted me to carry on the family tradition, and she had a stroke in 2013, and then I helped take care of her, and she passed away in 2017, and so I try to carry on the tradition.
My style of cooking, there's definitely a lot of tradition that I'm inspired by, but very much so just ingredients, and I think that's what really was showcased here, is Iowa ingredients.
Makes us all hungry and all proud to be from Iowa with such beautiful food and such talented, skillful entries. This is the first year of the contest, and I think it was a big success thanks to everyone that participated. So I just feel lucky to be here with everybody.